Declaring variables without initial values is fairly easy. We can just declare them as optional, meaning they do not have to have an actual value. We do this by explicitly declaring the type, but after the type, instead of setting the variable equal to any value, we will just write a question mark. I will just do it for our 6 types to give you examples. Var optional int, int question mark. Var optional double, double question mark, and so on. As we can see in the right column, all of these are currently nil because they have not been initialized yet. With arrays and dictionaries, we have to specify which type will be used. In this case, I have created an optional string array and an optional dictionary with integer keys and string values. For arrays and dictionaries, there's also the option to create a new empty one. For an array, this would look like this. Var empty array is equal to square brackets string parentheses. We have to declare the type of the array in the square brackets. The dictionary is pretty much the same, except we have to declare the type for both, keys and values. For example, var empty dictionary is equal to square brackets int string and parentheses. In this case, our keys would be integers, and our values would be strings again. In the right column, we can now see an empty array and an empty dictionary instead of nil, since these are initialized but don't have any entries yet. In the next chapter, we will take a look at the control flow and check out conditions and loops, which will allow us to do a lot more with our already learned knowledge.